Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Robinhood account with the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Robinhood account and you want to start keeping track of your investments on your Rocket Money app. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what we're first going to do is log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and click on linked accounts, and then you want to click on add an institution. Now, on this page here, you're going to see a list of banks that can connect with the Rocket Money app. Go ahead and scroll down until you find Robinhood. Click on Robinhood, and then this software called Plate is going to open up. Plate is what Rocket Money uses to actually go ahead and connect banks with Rocket Money. It connects it in seconds, and it also keeps your data safe. So there you have it, guys. Simply follow the on-screen prompts from here, and you'll be able to connect your Robinhood account with Rocket Money. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next